it's Miss Marcia again. Hope everyone's doing well. Today, friends, I wanted to spend some time making a friend treat with you. We have been spending quite a lot of time at home, and if you are anything like me, a lot of that time has been spent in the kitchen. So today, we're going to spend a little bit more time in the kitchen. We are going to make some pancakes, but not just any pancakes. We are going to make basketball pancakes, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, so I'm gonna real quick, just like everything that I do, I'm gonna show you how I'm doing this right now, but you don't have to follow me exactly how I do it. To make my pancake mix, first off, we've got all our ingredients here. We've got some flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, an egg, and melted butter, and our secret ingredient, some orange dye. All right. Oh, and I did forget Nutella. Okay, so we're gonna get started mixing our stuff up and making our batter, and I'm gonna show you how we are going to make basketball pancakes. All right, we're gonna get started adding our flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar first. Okay, so now we've got all our dry stuff in, our flour, baking powder, salt, and our sugar, and we're gonna make kind of just a little pocket in the middle and add our wet stuff, our milk, our eggs, and our melted butter. Now we mix. Okay, so I've been mixing a little. It's totally not smoothly mixed yet, so we're still going to keep mixing, but right now I'm also going to add a few drops of our orange food coloring. You can't make basketballs if they're not orange, right? A few drops there and stir that up. Okay, so now that our pancake batter is nice and orange and smooth-ish, we're gonna heat up our griddle. I put a little bit of oil on it. We're gonna let it heat up a bit and then start these pancakes cooking. are two orange pancakes that could almost look like basketballs, but they don't yet. So I have to line them up to give them those ribs that we see on the basketball. What I'm going to use, friends, what I did was I put some Nutella in a little Ziploc bag, and I'm going to squeeze the lines. I'm going to cut a little tip at the end and use that to squeeze the lines. And I'm using Nutella, but you friends can use chocolate. You can use raisins. Whatever works for you. And there we go. Voila. Basketball pancakes. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, friends. Have a great day.